Otumana subana nuda Apollo Ikinta General Wilson Mbadi Lodera Chief of Defense Forces anyes da parani Canada ikanyet Alaijo tumana UPDF Third Division Abuishalamika Brigadier General Joseph Balikudembe anoda Aswam Kenada Jokan.
Also want to congratulate General Balikudembe for being selected to attend the National Defense College. That is the highest level of military training that one can attain while serving in the army. And by the time you leave that place, you will be a strategic thinker who should be able to generate solutions of national security and national building of this country.
Buda ilipe komanda loiteteta Major General Don William Nabasa awanyu nebe ikopari nyesi dam aneda go na Brigadier General Balikudembe.
General Nabasa, as you come in here, this is one of the areas simple but difficult because of sometimes lack of goodwill by some people to solve a simple problem. So it runs on and on and on and on, simply because some people are not playing their part and they leave most of the task for us, but then come back and blame us. We should be able to add on to what Balikudembe has been able to achieve for the period he has been here.
I want to first of all thank the outgoing Brigadier General Joseph Balikudembe for the contribution and of course the job well done. And I want to wish you all the best in your next engagements that will be pursuing your higher studies at NBC. I want to thank local leadership. Of course, I've already interacted with the outgoing division commander, and he has told me how wonderful you are, how supportive you have always been. I thank you for supporting him. I thank you for the cooperation and look forward to work with you in the same spirit, or probably even beyond.
Idengare no koludo Karamoja keza poti shalamikisi komanda lodo yengu nani nepe kale utalom na ikopare icholong anuda muno keche na inye kuna Aipuc Karamoja.
I want to say that these men in uniform in Karamoja have done the greatest they could. So this time I want to say the team elected in Karamoja has been accused for being aberrant culprits, but in actual sense, no. I want to inform you that the soldiers, our guests of honor, have been blamed for non-recoveries of the animals, but they have tried their best. To this one, I want to say that Karamoja needs a cooperation to avert this crime. We want to see total change.
The task that has been achieved by our brother Joseph has been a big one, and he has made us proud as the monitors and head of security in the 9 districts.
Godfred Eyokum, TV East Moroto.